Thank you for coming here today to watch one of our tutorial videos. We will show you here how easy it is to sign up for your Get Ahead monthly subscription. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your At Cost Metals dashboard. In the top left corner, there is the Current News section. Here you can find all current prices for the Get Ahead Coin of the Month options. The cost of these items may fluctuate slightly based off of the current market, so it's always good to come back and check periodically. Then make your way down to the Coin of the Month section in the bottom left of your dashboard. Click the Sign Up button to be taken to your Get Ahead settings. At the top, you will see your main Get Ahead settings. This is where you will choose to opt into the program. We offer 7 different items you can choose from to receive each month. Please note that each item's price will vary based upon what you choose. You will be presented with 5 options as to when your coin will be processed. The 1st, the 8th, the 15th, the 21st, and the 26th. You can change these dates at any time. We process orders for the Get Ahead program at 12:01 a.m. on the day you chose, so keep that in mind when signing up. Next, you'll need to provide your shipping address. It's important to make sure all the details are accurate to ensure you receive your coin. Please double-check the delivery address carefully. The information you enter here is where the Get Ahead Coin of the Month is delivered. A mistake here could cause delays and repeated shipping charges. Help us help you to get your coins delivered timely and efficiently with a perfect address. Lastly, you'll enter your credit or debit card details. This will be needed to ensure proper processing of your Get Ahead subscription. If you have enough in your ACM funds to cover the entire cost for that processing date, the system will take the ACM funds first. If there is not enough in the ACM funds, it will be taken from the card you list here. Be sure to complete this form and review everything carefully to ensure your coin is processed correctly. There is a 3.99% surcharge for every card transaction. Remember, you can update these details at any time. If the payment doesn't go through but the information is accurate, you may need to authorize the transaction with your card issuer. Once you have ensured that all the information is correct, be sure to click the Update Coin of the Month Settings button at the bottom to complete the process. Thank you for watching At Cost Metals tutorial series. We are committed to your savings and success.